everyone. We are group number 2. My name is Mita Prilly Anugrah and my friend.
Nama sekali, Muhammad Taif Alamsyah.
And my name is Muhammad Iri Fernanda.
We will discuss about whether students should have a strict daily study schedule. Let's begin. Okay, let's start our discussion. What do you think about having a strict daily study schedule?
In my opinion, strict student schedule is very helpful. One reason is it helps students manage their time better. For example, if we set specific hours for studying, we won't waste time.
I agree. That's a good point. A fixed schedule also trains students to be more disciplined.
How do you feel about studying at the same time every day? Does it feel challenging?
I'm not sure, but I think it depends on the person. Some students may feel stressed with a very strict schedule.
What do you think about students who prefer to study freely without a schedule?
From my perspective, studying freely can reduce pressure. However, it might lead to procrastination. One reason is students often delay studying when there is no fixed plan.
I see your point, but a strict rule can also make students feel burned out if they don't take breaks.
That's true. I think a balanced schedule, strict but with rest time is better because it keeps students productive without overworking them.
In your opinion, how many hours should students study per day?
I think around 4-5 hours per day is enough for senior high school students. For example, 2 hours in the afternoon and 2 hours in the evening.
I agree. That's a good point. Studying too long without a plan can decrease focus and motivation.
I understand. However, different students have different needs. Some students need more hours, especially before exams.
I'm not sure. I agree. Because forcing students into strict schedule may reduce creativity and self-direct learning.
I see your point. But I think having at least a basic structure is still necessary because with any plan, many students end up not studying as much.
I agree. From my perspective, a flexible but consistent schedule is the best solution. One reason is it reduces students who don't want keeping them on track.
So what? So what do you all think? Should students follow a strict or flexible study schedule?
I think structure schedule is important, but should be flexing now to allow rest and hobbies because a healthy balance leads to better academic performance.
I agree. That's a good point. Students who follow a routine tend to be more organized and less stressed.
In my opinion, parents and teachers should help students design a realistic studying schedule. For example, planning study sessions according to each student's abilities.
After our discussion, we all agree that students should have a study schedule, but it should be flexible and realistic, not overly strict, because this approach helps students stay productive while maintaining their mental health and motivation. That's our discussion for today.
Thank you for watching.